In this video, we'll get the tools that every developer needs up and running. Hey, Code Operative here, helping you reach further faster in the programming world. If this is our first time meeting, welcome to the channel. The Code Operative channel is for developers of any level. This is a resource that will help you be confident in your skills and solutions. If that sounds appealing to you, hit the subscribe button, the bell, and keep watching to build those programming muscles every day. Community Edition. So first you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to type in Intellij, and that'll bring up JetBrains. So go ahead and click this download link and it will bring you to this download page. Make sure your correct operating system is selected. I'm on Windows, so I'm just going to download the Community Edition. So now the Community Edition is downloading. Alright, it's done downloading, so we can go ahead and show in folder, right click, run as admin. Yes, we're going to install this as administrator. Click next. Here you can select which folder you want it to install to. This is fine for me, so I'm not going to change it. Add a 64-bit launcher. Going to add Java, Groovy, and Kotlin. Install. Alright, now it's done installing. We'll go ahead and select Run Intellij. We don't have a previous version of Intellij, so we're not going to import any settings. Right, I accept. Send usage statistics, why not? And then Darkula, because I'm not a savage. I will leave all the defaults. And start. Okay, now we're on our new project screen, so let's create a new project to test this baby out. Alright, see we have SDK 11 installed. If you watch my previous video, we installed it here, so it's automatically found the install. We'll just press next and we'll say Code Operative Hello World. As you can see, doesn't have anything. We'll just add a little class file here. Our Hello World class. Give it a whirl. It's building. Hello World. Awesome. Alright, now you know how to install Intellij on a Windows machine. Question of the day. What's going to be your first big project? Put it in the comments down below.